Sylvia. Okay, had edit the extend the dates. Okay, so I'm going to go to the gradebook. I'm actually in your course right now in the back end, and I'm going to just show you. I'm not going to do anything. If you want me to do something, I can. If you have um, a specific task, I'm happy to do it for you. So you go into the gradebook, find the student. For instance, this one here. Click on then the um, assignment. This is where you can extend the due date or extend the time limit per student. That's on that end. If you need to extend, I don't know if you're asking to extend an assignment, like a due date, and if that were the case, I don't see that you really have anything due yet. But if there's a case where you need to extend the due date for the entire class, you would just go into this view, go to edit here, and then you'd go to edit here and change the date here. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful. If not, let me know.